Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And what's another way that companies get hacked? This is also quite spread, and we've had a lot of stories in the past of the main reason for a hacker group to do data theft or to steal, do data breaches and steal tons of data from everybody was through unpatched servers and computers and software. We say it all the time here when I talk about Patch Tuesday that we have every month, how important it is for a system to be up to date. Why? Because one of the main reasons that hackers get access to computers or that malware can actually get in is through security flaws, because you can exploit a flaw that's not fixed. Most of these flaws, eventually every hacker out there knows how to exploit them and how to use them to do what they want. So at some point, unpatched systems are systems that get, of course, breached. So it happened many, many, many times that data breaches were due to unpatched systems, servers that didn't have the latest updates, software within these servers that didn't have the latest updates. And this, unfortunately, is a little too often, and it has one major root cause, and it's the fact that updates can sometimes be a problem in big enterprises, especially when there's hundreds of servers and computers to update. And you don't know what behavior this will bring to the whole system. So sometimes deployment is slow or is at a later date than the updates themselves. So if you get your Patch Tuesday updates on Windows, there are enterprises out there that will not patch them immediately. They will slowly patch the systems to make sure that it doesn't break anything. And that also means that those businesses, well, their computers are out in the open for a longer period of time. And if it turns out to be a 0-day or a very critical flaw, well, hackers can get into the systems. And unfortunately, we've had many examples in the past years of enterprise that have been either have data breach, so that all of your personal data and information has got stolen, or they stole passwords, stuff like that, credentials that were needed to access crucial systems or core systems. So that is unfortunately happening still today. It's not the major vector, but it's a pretty good one. So to businesses and enterprise and schools and all of that out there, you got to keep up to date as much as possible and as soon as possible to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.